disappearing faster than they can recover. But what if technology could help restore them at the same speed they are lost? So today, we will discuss about drone-based reforestation. And this technology uses drones or unmanned aerial vehicles to plant seeds in the deforested areas. These drones can cover large and hard-to-reach areas quickly, making reforestation faster compared to traditional planting. Its main goal is to address deforestation, which leads to biodiversity loss, soil erosion, and climate change. However, while this technology is efficient, it also raises important social, environmental, and ethical issues that we will analyze using the science, technology, and society's perspective.
Drone technology improves reforestation by increasing speed, efficiency, and accessibility. It allows large-scale planting in areas that are difficult or dangerous for humans. From different perspectives, we see interpretive flexibility, meaning the technology is understood differently by various groups. For governance and environmental organizations, it is a fast and cost-effective solution to restore forests. For scientists, it is a tool for collecting environmental data and monitoring ecosystem. And for corporations, it represents a business opportunity. However, for local communities, it may create concerns because it can replace jobs or ignore the traditional knowledge. This shows that the same technology can bring both benefits and concerns, depending on who is affected.
Despite its advantages, drone-based reforestation also raises several risks and ethical issues. First, not all seeds planted by drones will survive, especially in environmental conditions are not suitable. This relates to black boxing, where people trust the technology results without fully understanding how it works. Second, there is a risk of ignoring indigenous and local knowledge, which is important for successful and sustainable reforestation. Third, it may lead to technological lock-in, where communities become dependent on companies that own and control the drone system. Additionally, using the precautionary principle, risk should be careful assessed before large-scale implementation to prevent environmental harm. So this concern shows that technology alone is not enough. It must be used responsibly.
To address these issues, proper governance is essential. Governments and organizations must create policies, environmental regulations, and monitoring systems. These policies act as boundary objects, meaning they allow different groups, such as scientists, governments, and communities, to cooperate even if they have different views. Another important issue is the data sovereignty. Drones collect environmental data, so it is important to ask who owns and controls this data. Farmers and local communities should have access and control over this information to ensure fairness and transparency.
To make drone-based reforestation more effective and inclusive, we propose several solutions. First is combine drone technology with local and indigenous knowledge instead of replacing it. Second, involve communities in planning and decision-making. Third, plant diverse native species to improve survival rates and protect biodiversity. Fourth is provide training and access to smaller communities can benefit from the technology. These actions support responsible innovation which focuses on inclusion, sustainability, and long-term positive impact on society and the environment.
Overall, drone-based reforestation is powerful innovation that can help restore forests and fight climate change. However, technology alone is not the solution. Its success depends on how it's used through proper governance, ethical and responsibility, and active community involvement. By combining advancement technology with human knowledge and ensuring fair access, we can create a future where innovation support not only environmental restoration but also human well-being and social justice.